The walled garden. This is the Apple of 3D printers. The parts are proprietary. If a nozzle clogs badly, you aren't just swapping a cheap brass tip, you're likely swapping the whole hot end assembly. It's easy to do, 2 screws and 2 plugs, but it locks you into their ecosystem. Customer support. This is the biggest red flag. In my experience, and based on recent community reports, support response times are slow, often taking 3 to 7+ days for a meaningful reply. If this is a mission-critical machine for a business, you need to buy spare parts before you need them because you can't rely on overnight support. Maintenance. Despite the no tinkering claim, you still have maintenance. The carbon rods need cleaning, do not grease them, and the belts need tensioning eventually. I also found the PTFE tubes wear out faster than expected due to the constant friction of the AMS loading-unloading.